Boss Pete may balls. Ano siya, ano siya, malakas sa loob.
Bakit po, boss, kahit nung simula nung pandemic, walang katakot-takot ang Viva?
Boss Pete may balls. Ano siya, ano siya, malakas sa loob. Kami man in the family, we were parang skeptical about launching the platform. We've been talking about doing a streaming platform siguro mga 3 years na before the pandemic. And then nung nangyari yung pandemic, nakita niya yung shift ng tao sa digital. Nakita namin yung aming MCN business, yung multi-channel business umipa. Sabi niya, time na, but still, hindi pa rin niya agad pinurso until he found the right person. And nakita namin, nakausap namin si Ronan, yun na, dinira na natin. Pero syempre, yung learnings, ito na ako, Ronan. Araw-araw, inaaral pa rin. Hindi namin maituro sa ibang tao na dapat ganito po rin yung ganito dapat. Every day, may bagong surprise, may bagong natututunan, may bagong problema araw-araw. So, yun, masaya.
How do you avoid not playing favorites among your Viva Max artists and directors? Para ma-intrigue lang ng konti.
Playing favorites, avoiding.
Yeah.
Para walang magsiselos or maiinggit na, ba't mas maraming project ito?
Kasi yung madalas yung production cycle sa amin nagsisimula with the right material. So, based on that, kung yung material was for artist X or artist Y, then doon na lang na parang may natural flow na lang na doon mapupunta yung project. Pero it's hard to play favorites when you have 300-400 artists that you love in the same way. Walang pwedeng sabihin na, hindi, dapat dito lang. Of course, depende na rin sa attitude ng artist. Kung ganado siya, masipag siya, then literally lang yung work. So, and then, syempre, may moments naman na parang, di ba, may downturn yung artist. Hanapan mo naman siya ng ibang gagawin. Maybe kung hindi nag-work yung last movie, or maybe try TV, or did she sings, maybe record the first we have an ecosystem where yung mga artists namin can move around and do other stuff. But I think never favorites. Meron lang na parang
Secret lang.
kaibigan, nakakabiruan mo. At otherwise, mahirap to play favorites. Parang ano yan, di ba? Sa teacher ka sa classroom. Meron teachers pero depende pa rin yung merits ng galing ng artist, may sino ng artist.
Thank you. And for my last question, for Sir Ronan, are there any plans of making a Viva Max Award, sort of recognition for the artists in the platform?
Actually, yes. We were thinking of doing that. That's why we already made the million views club. But we wanted to be more Viva in the way we look at the categories. No? We wanted something different in a way to recognize not just the artists, but also the directors, even the cinematographers. But yes, we will have a Viva Max.
Yes, so you look into that. Parang pamas, pero Viva Max.
More casual.
Yeah,
More casual. So
mas hip,
mas hip yung categories. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, parang MTV award.
Yes.
But
But I was thinking.
yeah, because our market is quite young. They started around below 18 years old all the way to 35. That's
Mga
the
age
core.
bracket may boss rin.
Yes.
How optimistic are you with the releases this time? And how many of these films are already in the can?
Fun. Oo nga, more than half are
More than half?
can or in the late stage of post-production.
Yes.
And then the other half are about to start. So, dati harder nung alert level, nasa 3, nasa 2. May na 1, mas mabilis na ang churn, ang turnover, ang production. So, I think maka 80% of this are already in production.
Yes. Because the last time you launched this many films was two years
2020.
ago. Yes.
Yes.
And how many of those films were really released in that batch?
I think if we announce 20 movies at the time, maybe 15 doon natapos.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, iba lang, hindi pa rin mapalabas. I think nabanggit ko nga yung favorite. Walang Kaparis, Spellbound, Ultimate Pupa. And then, ito yung dalawa ni Liza, no? So, yeah, may ano pa rin, mga 6 to 8 na titles na tapos na for cinema kaya meron pa kami yung with si Piolo and si Jasmine Curtis with 1017.
So tapos na yun?
Tapos na.
Alright.
And then, Sassy Girl na adaptation si Fifth Solomon, si Tony Gonzaga, tapos na rin yun. Hindi pa lang na-pepecha.